In the last session, we learnt about the basics of workbooks and worksheets of MS Excel. In this session, we'll learn how to use, store and edit data in a worksheet. We'll also learn how to use various data tools such as graphs or charts to make data more presentable. We know that we use a worksheet to store data in MS Excel. Each worksheet is made up of rows and columns. An intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. These are the cells that contain data. For easy reference, each cell is given a name from its intersection. For example, the cell that is in column A and row 5 is referred to as cell A5. The name is displayed in the name box below the ribbon. A group of adjacent cells is called a range. For example, range of cells from A1 to A5 is denoted by A1 is to A5. Click on a cell to make it active. You can see a rectangular boundary over the cell. This indicates that the cell is active. Then, you can enter data into it. This data can be numbers, text, dates, or time. Let's see how to enter text or numbers in a cell. 1. Click on the cell. 2. Type the number or text that you want to enter. 3. Press Enter or Tab. To enter a date in a cell, 1. Click on the cell. 2. Enter a date using a slash mark or a hyphen to separate the parts of a date. 3. Press Enter or Tab. To enter a time that is based on the 12-hour clock, enter the time followed by a space and then type A or P. By default, MS Excel enters the time as AM. MS Excel allows you to enter the same data into several cells at the same time in just a click. To enter the same data into several cells, 1. Select the cells into which you want to enter the same data. 2. Type the data in the active cell. 3. Press Ctrl plus Enter. You can also enter the same data into several cells by using the fill handle. Sometimes, we need to type a series of text, numbers or dates. In this case, MS Excel offers autofill features that you can use to automatically fill cells with data that follows a pattern or data from a series. A series can be a sequence of days or months. For example, day series includes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. And month series include January, February, March, and so on. Let's see how to create a text series that contains text entries of days of a week. First, enter the first value, that is, first day of the series at the beginning of the series. Then, drag the autofill handle across the cells that you want to fill. Similarly, you can create a series of month names. We can also fill cells with data that follows a pattern. Suppose we want to fill cells with a list that contains a serial number that starts from 1 and ends at 10. Then, enter the number 1 in the first cell and number 2 in the second cell. This would set the pattern of increasing number. Now, select both the cells. Drag the autofill handle through the range of cells until number 10 appears to the right of autofill handle. Release the mouse button to fill the cells with series of numbers 1 to 10. Similarly, you can create a series of even numbers and more. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Once we have entered data in a worksheet, the data may require some editing at later stage. The editing may include clearing of cell data and moving data from one location to the other. We can edit the contents of a cell either by using the formula bar or editing it in the cell itself. To edit a cell content using the formula bar, 1. Select the cell to be edited. 2. Click on the formula bar present below the ribbon. 3. Edit the cell content as required and press Enter. To edit a cell content in the cell itself, 1. Select the cell to be edited. 2. Press the F2 function key. 3. Edit the content by moving the cursor to the editing point. 4. Press Enter or Tab. Sometimes, you may need to clear a cell by deleting its content. But remember, clearing a cell is not similar to deleting a cell. When we delete a cell, other cells to the right or bottom of the cell shift. Clearing a cell, on the other hand, does not cause other cells to shift. We can clear a cell using different ways. To clear a cell using shortcut menu, 1. Select the cell to be cleared. 2. Right-click on the selected cell. 3. Select Clear Contents option from the shortcut menu. We can also clear a cell using the Delete key. Select the cell to be cleared and press Delete key. The Delete key clears all the contents from the cell, but does not change cell formatting. We can also use menu bar to clear the cell contents. To clear a cell using the menu bar, 1. Select the cell to be cleared. 2. Click on the Clear drop-down menu in the Editing group of the Home tab. 3. Select Clear Contents from the menu. At times, we need to create multiple copies of worksheet data. We can do this by using copy and paste options in MS Excel. We can copy the contents of the cells and can paste into many cells, thus saving effort of typing it again and again. To copy and paste cell contents using the menu bar, 1. Select the cells having the contents to be copied. 2. Click on the Copy option in the Clipboard group of the Home tab. 3. Select the cells in which you want to paste a copy of the data. 4. Click on the Paste drop-down menu in the Clipboard group. 5. Select Paste to paste the copied contents in the selected cells. We can also use the shortcut menu to copy and paste cell contents. To copy and paste cell contents using the shortcut menu, 1. Select the cells having the contents to be copied. 2. Right-click on the selected cells. 3. Select Copy from the shortcut menu. 4. Select the cells in which you want to paste a copy of the data. 5. Right-click on the selected cells. 6. Select Paste from the shortcut menu. We may also need to move data from one cell to another. To move cell contents, 1. Select the cells having the contents to be moved. 2. Click on the Cut option in the Clipboard group of the Home tab. 3. Select the cells where you want to move the data. 4. Click on the Paste drop-down menu in the Clipboard group. 5. Select Paste to paste the contents in the selected cells. We can also use the shortcut menu to move cell contents. So, the various options in MS Excel help us edit cell contents or data. What would you do if the data that you want to enter in a cell is too long for the column to accommodate? Right, you would need to increase the column width and row height to accommodate the contents in the cell. Let's see how to change column width. To change column width, 1. Click on the column heading. 2. Click on the Format drop-down menu in the Cells group of the Home tab. 3. Select the Column Width option. The Column Width dialog box appears. 4. Enter the desired column width in the Column Width text box. 5. Click OK to apply the change in column width. When you select the Auto-Fit Column Width option, MS Excel automatically resizes the column width to accommodate cell contents. You can also use the mouse to increase or decrease the column width by dragging the border of the column. Position the mouse pointer on the right border of the column header. Press the left mouse button and drag it to the right to increase the column width or towards the left to decrease the width. Release the mouse button when the desired width is set. Now, let's see how to change row height. To change row height, 1. Click on the row heading. 2. Click on the Format drop-down menu in the Cells group of the Home tab. 3. Select the Row Height option. The Row Height dialog box appears. 4. Enter the desired row height in the Row Height text box. 5. Click OK to apply the change in row height. You can also use the mouse to change row height by dragging the row header border. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. MS Excel provides formulas that help perform calculations on values in a worksheet. Formulas are equations that start with an equal sign. For example, the following formula adds 5 and 3 and gives sum as 8. A formula can contain any or all of the following: functions, references, operators, and constants. A function is a pre-written formula that takes a value or values, performs an operation, and returns a value or values. We use functions to simplify and shorten formulas on a worksheet. The Insert Function option in the Function Library group of the Formulas tab allows us to insert various functions in formulas. These functions are sum, date, average, max, and count, as displayed on the screen. An operator is a sign or symbol that specifies the type of calculation to perform within an expression. There can be mathematical, comparison, logical, and reference operators. Constant is a value in a formula that is not calculated and, therefore, does not change. Let's see how to create a simple formula with constants and calculation operators. 1. Click the cell in which you want to enter the formula. 2. Type an equal to sign. 3. Enter the formula. 4. Press Enter. The result of the formula is displayed in the cell. Suppose you have to calculate sum of all the numbers in column A. In this case, you need to create a formula with the function sum. To create a formula with the sum function, 1. Click the cell in which you want to enter the formula. 2. Click on the Insert Function option. The Insert Function dialog box appears. Alternatively, you can click Insert Function icon on the formula bar. 3. Select the function sum from the Select a Function list box. If the sum function is not displayed in the list, browse it from the categories in the Or Select a Category box. 4. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. 5. Select the cell reference as an argument in number 1 argument box. To select the cells on the worksheet, click Collapse dialog icon, which temporarily hides the dialog box. Click the Expand dialog icon when done. 6. click OK to create the formula and close the function arguments dialog box. The AutoSum option in the function library allows you to use a formula with function quickly. To use the AutoSum option, 1. Click the cell in which you want to use the formula. 2. Click on the AutoSum drop-down menu. 3. Select the function Sum. 4. Select the cell ranges. 5. Press Enter. So, now you can use formulas and functions to calculate data in a worksheet. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. MS Excel allows you to represent data in a more eye-catching way by using charts or graphs. Look at this data. It is the sales report of the shop that displays sales amount of each month of the year. Can you quickly make out which month has the highest sales? Bit time-taking. Now, take a look at this visual. Can you identify which bar is the longest? Right, bar for the month of April is the longest. This depicts that the month of April has the highest sales. Isn't the graphical representation of data more effective and presentable? Creating a chart in MS Excel is quick and easy. Excel provides a variety of chart types that you can choose from when you create a chart. Let's see how to create a chart in MS Excel. To create a chart, arrange the data in the worksheet that you want to represent in a chart. Select the cells that contain the data that you want to use for the chart. Click on the Insert tab. Click on a chart type option in the Charts group. Select a chart type from the displayed list. A chart of the selected chart type is inserted into the worksheet as an embedded chart. When you create a chart, the Design, Layout, and Format tabs are displayed in the ribbon. The various options in these tabs allow you to modify the chart. The Design tab helps you to display the data series by rows or by columns. Make changes to the source data of the chart. Change the location of the chart. Change the chart type. Save a chart as a template. Or select predefined layout and formatting options. The Layout tab allows you to change the display of the chart elements, such as chart titles and data labels. Use drawing tools or add text boxes and pictures to the chart. The Format tab helps you to fill colors, change line styles, or apply special effects to the chart. So, using all these, we can make charts more eye-catching and presentable. Let's see how to create a chart. Select the cells that contain the data that you want to use for the chart. Click on the Insert tab. Click on a Chart Type option in the Charts group. Select a chart type from the displayed list. A chart of the selected chart type is inserted into the worksheet as an embedded chart. To summarize, let's see the steps below to create a chart. Step 1. Select the cells that contain the data that you want to use for the chart. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Click on a Chart Type option in the Charts group. Step 4. Select a chart type from the displayed list. Let's summarize what we have discussed in this topic. An intersection of a row and a column in a worksheet is called a cell. Each cell is given a name from its intersection. A group of adjacent cells is called a range. MS Excel offers autofill features that you can use to automatically fill cells with data that follows a pattern or data from a series. The AutoFit Column Width option automatically resizes the column width to accommodate cell contents. A formula can contain any or all of the following: functions, references, operators, and constants.